Good morning from Veracruz. This is actually our last day here, believe it or not. As I said in our last video, today we are flying to Mexico City. So it's a bittersweet goodbye to Veracruz. It's been very fun here. But before we head to the airport, because we have a later flight this afternoon, we're gonna hang out here a bit. But the first thing I gotta do is I just woke up and go to Oxo and get my morning coffee. So let's go. You can see some people on the beach right now because it is early Saturday morning. They want to get out, enjoy the sun, get into the water. We personally didn't go to the beach when we were here because it hasn't been that great weather. But hey, some people don't care if it's overcast, if it's cold, if the water is not the cleanest. We don't really know about this area. People will go in, some people don't care, but what can you do then? This is like one of the main boardwalks where people run, jog. Rollerblading is very popular here as well, but you gotta be on the lookout of people trying to sell you stuff and other tourist scams which happen all over the world. Just be aware of your surroundings when you're here in Veracruz, just like other parts of Mexico as well. I think I talked about that in a previous video, but hey, it's always a good reminder because the people that watch my videos, I want them to stay safe, and you guys probably want me to stay safe as well, so I do follow all security precautions while enjoying the beautiful sights and tourist activities that Mexico has to offer. One thing I regret a little bit about Veracruz is I wish we woke up early and did a nice jog or run on this boardwalk, but we went to bed pretty late each night because we were so busy during the day going and seeing different places. So it is what it is. Next time when we come back, we'll definitely get up early, take in some sun, go for some jogs, and hopefully hit the beach because it'll be better weather. I don't know if I filmed this the other day, but they have these cool little pods next to the water which you could hang out in. They have a little bench. You can see one right there and the other one over here. We took some photos in them the other day. I'll put the photos on the screen right now so you can see. But it's very cool. Little box you can just hang out and chill and look at the water. I haven't seen that in any other beach town around Mexico or anywhere else really. The cool concept. They got some more down there as well. Very nice. Oxo, the best store in Mexico. The favorite store of Mexico. Come on, go. This is the busiest store in Mexico as well. Let's go around this way. The same coffee as the other Oxo. If we can figure out how it works. I think this is the premium one, and those are the cheaper ones. The problem with these machines is we can never find milk. But luckily this time I was able to find a packet of cream. I normally don't take cream in my coffee, but I gotta make do with what I gotta make do. So we're getting coffee and vanilla muffins. Very basic. So here is the pool at the hotel we are staying at, which is the Doubletree by Hilton, Veracruz. No one here right now, but it is a little bit overcast out. As you can see there with the sky. Has a hot tub over here. And this hotel is priced pretty fairly, I would say. So if you want to stay somewhere on the cheaper side, that doesn't break the bank, this DoubleTree by Hilton might be a great option for you. There you can see the building right there. We did see people at the pool the other day, but today no one's been here yet. But it is kind of early. It is 10 a.m. in the morning. And I'll show you a little bit of the view of Veracruz that you get from the pool deck. You can see all the different buildings. And over there in the distance, if you can see the Gulf of Mexico. But you also do get a view of more of the buildings here in Veracruz. You can also get a room facing the Gulf too, and you get a really excellent view that I could see. And like I said, this place doesn't really break the bank. It's a good budget hotel, a great option for when you come to Veracruz. Now, I also want to say this video is not sponsored either. I just think it's a great hotel. And yeah, I recommend it. So it's funny I just said that because we just found out the power is out in the hotel. So the jets cannot run in the hot tub and it is not heated. So I don't know if we're going to use it anymore because it's not that hot out. Oh, I hate when these things happen, but it is what it is. Nonetheless, it is a beautiful pool. I just wish we could hop into that hot tub, chill out and relax before we check out, but it is what it is. Maybe the power will come back on and we can use it, maybe, please. So we are at the airport in Veracruz now. We made it through security. So I wasn't able to make it in the pool, unfortunately. I wish I could have made it, but it was too cold. The power wasn't working, a bunch of stuff, it's okay. After that, we went for a nice lunch with family, said goodbye, and now we're at the airport getting ready to go to Mexico City. I'll update you when we get there. Can't wait to check into our Airbnb and finally relax and start enjoying the big city life. We had made it to Mexico City. I got my bag. The flight wasn't too bad actually. It was better than the flight from Cancun to Veracruz. So I'm happy finally to be in Mexico City, go explore it. And now the fun part, we get to the Airbnb, unpack, relax, and just get ready for the next 10 days here. You can see the nice Christmas tree behind me. The airport's all set up for Christmas. So let's keep going. Let's get to the Airbnb.
That Christmas tree is made out of beer that's like special edition. It only comes around like this time. And it's called Nochebuena, which pretty much means Christmas Eve. Do we want to go?
Let's go take a quick peek. Wow. You can see all the bottles of beer. I wouldn't mind one right now. Nice beer after you land in Mexico City. There's also a bunch of restaurants up there. Wings, Starbucks, cafe. I remember the Mexico City airport does have a lot of good food options here. Officially made it to the Airbnb in Mexico City in the Condesa neighborhood. Happy to be here. I'm pretty tired, so just gonna unpack, get some takeout food, and relax the rest of the evening. And in the next video, I will actually give a tour of the apartment to show you what a nice Airbnb is like in Mexico City. And also I will go around and do some exploring and all that fun stuff that I always do. Besides that, I want to thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. So long from Mexico City, Condesa neighborhood. One of the best you'll see in the upcoming videos.